There we go. There you guys go. Another fish on the day. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're back on the Detroit River. So you can see right now, we got the overcast conditions, nice clear water, but we got a lot of debris coming down the river. Lots of seaweed, east wind. It's breaking off from Lake St. Clair and just traveling down. It's gonna make its way down to Erie. But we gotta fish through it to get these nice walleye. So hopefully we start landing them. Anyways, I'm gonna use a 3/4 ounce jig, same color as the last episode. So if you guys haven't watched that, go back and watch and find out what I was using. Anyways, I'm just gibbering shit on. Let's catch some fish. Yeah, I felt it.
That's why they coming. Where are you again? Fucking guy. No free.
I told you there was one there though. I felt it earlier. I felt it earlier.
No, I mean,
Yeah.
on Facebook,
Yeah.
I come and they don't get the free.
Yeah, they don't get the face and all of a sudden they see me.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Guy.
Yeah, all the time. Oh, it's a nice one too.
Yeah, goodbye.
Get him, boom!
Boom.
Boom.
There it is. Thank you, Pooh.
Yeah.
Come off too. Woo. All right, first fish of the day. Yeah. Whew. All right, there you guys go. First fish of the day. Obviously 4 pounds right there. Nice and fat, juicy fall walleye. What do you guys think about that right there? Smashed me on a 3/4 ounce jig. And the same color as the last episode. You know how I've been using that. That thing right there is the ticket right there. Nice fish. Woo! Great start to the day. Fishing for 2 decades. Pardon? You used to, not no more. Yeah, it's tough. There we go. There you guys go. Another fish on the day. Yes. I felt that snap too. I was gonna say it's about time. It has been. Ah, it's a medium one. Medium. I say like a 2 or 3 pounder. Yeah. Yeah, 2 or 3 pounder. The second one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. All right. Yeah. It's goby, bro. There you guys go. On that goby again. All right, guys. So there you go. That is number 2 on the day. It's a little bit of grassy. Like I said from last episode, you might want to take some of the seaweed home just in case you ain't catching any fish. Just kidding. Nice 3 pounder there. I thought it was a little bit small because it had less of a fight, but same lure. You guys seen it. Slaying right now, 3/4 ounce jig. Here you guys go. So we have a lure over here. What we like to use, we throw our fish on a stringer, keep them nice and fresh. It acts like a refrigerator for you. Fish stay alive, you actually get a chance to bleed your fish inside the water, keep the shoreline a little clean. Yes, keep the shoreline clean, not like some people just cut blood everywhere. People get needle down sometimes, so there you guys go. Right through the membrane. That's fish number 2. And back into the water. Right there. Oh. That's gonna be a decent one.
You see me.
Oh,
beauty.
that's a nice one. Look at that. That's a nice one. That's gotta be like 7. That's a hog. Yeah, that's a hog. That's a hogger.
Hold on, wait till he's ready. Nice.
Here it is.
Oh, beautiful.
That's a big one.
Look at that beefy double.
Damn. Judgy. Nice catch.
It is a mouse.
Oh yeah, he swallowed it. Thanks, man.
Oh yeah. Holy smokes. I'm gonna take a nice shot of that one. That's a big one.
The green paddle tail, isn't it? Winston would be proud of you.
Oh my god, Judge. How do you feel about that fish?
Good one.
Oh man, that's gonna be a good 7-pounder there. Oh, buddy. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Yeah. 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 3rd one of the day here. Damn, wow. That one hit suspended. Like I was finding the bottom still. I was still trying to find the bottom. I didn't even hit the bottom yet. I was trying to find the bottom still, and it was just like boom.
You just haven't found the right lure yet. You gotta keep
Wow.
going.
Oh, it's a nice one again. They're all the same size. They're all the same size. Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Lamb's got one too.
Okay, Pooh. There you guys go. 3rd one. They're roughly all about the same size right now. Like you guys can see, I'm still using the same bait. What? Oh, that's not bad. Yeah. Oh, that thing just sliced my finger. Oh, got me good. Oh, right there, guys. See that? Look at that. I'm starting to bleed now. Got me good, but there you go. Another nice ball. Okay, Pooh, take it easy. There you go. Onto the stringer.
That's over by the other railing.
Whew.
Ooh, yeah. Nice, eh?
No, I don't think he's got a fish. I think he's got a fire. Doesn't look like it.
All right. Yeah, he's got a fish. Oh, it came off. He gave him slack. Yeah, he did. He put his whole rod down. He's like, "Here you go. Have your." Yeah, wasn't it? You watched it, eh? So he gave him slack. He's like, he gave him all the slack. Oh. Cha! Cha! I just freaking missed a bite. I just missed a bite, and then John gets one. Can I fight it?
I just got caught because
Can I fight it?
get lost from my finger. You're out, Dewey. I think to cast far out if the line just slip my.
You want me to use a smaller net? No, I'm just kidding, John. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I know you. Whew. This is a good day so far, though. What is the second one for you?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. There you go, sir. There you go, sir. Oh, yeah. There you go, John.
Thanks. Leave over there.
Yeah, you want me to leave the net over there?
Yeah, you're gonna wash it.
What color is that?
Vampire.
Vampire. All right, all right, all right. Cool, cool. Nice catch.
I changed it so many colors.
Changed so many colors.
Look, I should have left. Hey, Falls on the.
Thank you,
Go.
thank you, thank you.
Bro, you're
welcome.
Everywhere I leave, that's where the person catches.
All right. Let me get the net from right here. Mikey Fowles on?
Yeah, that's like a nice one, Falls on.
I just need the rod go straight. That's all. I don't know.
Get the stringer out. Falls on, you keeping?
I thought about it, but I don't know. I'll give a couple away first.
You know damn well you don't want to swim it in your tub.
Tormenting them, Mike. You're
Hey,
tormenting them.
hey.
Mike, well, hold on, Mike. You want?
What?
I'm not. What are you laughing about? You want? I'll give
Oh,
you.
my bad.
I'll give
Don't
you
do that
first
to me.
pick. You want? Okay.
No, Mike.
yours.
Yeah. Look at you showing off.
I'm not showing off. I'm just
Who's
here
it
to
goes?
have a good time.
Hey, you want to hold this up?
My buddies. Nah, let P hold it.
Go, bro. Hold it up. Bro, you
Wait, hold on.
do it.
Here, no, it's you.
Hold this up.
Hold on, it's you. First donation of the day.
I don't feel like being that donator all
Come
day.
on, first donation of the day.
Chew.
Whose rod is this over here with the line in?
It's me. I told you I had my line's in the water. I have to go get this fish. Nobody else was moving. Oh! Oh my God!
I saw that.
As soon as I picked up the rod, did you see that? It started fighting me like, oh hell! Oh, Peter! Finally, eh?
Falls on.
Go for buck right away. That's a monster.
Finally, Pete.
Coming right in. Yeah.
Look at me.
This thing is big though.
Yeah?
It hit real hard, man. Fuck. No, Kim Daddy.
Fifth Daddy? All right. Kim Daddy.
What I was using.
Yeah.
No, it's because I'm trying to catch his drift. I threw it far and let it drift. That's what I did. I cheated. I got that figure it's not here. It's total. This one's total. Tanker.
Thomas?
Probably about 1 pound. Is it going around the bend over there?
No, you're good. Just bite with, You're okay. You're okay. Don't worry. Bite with. Oh!
Oh!
Cho ơi!
Oh!
Được Châu ơi! Ủa Châu ơi!
Go line!
Yeah.
Boom!
Châu ơi, need Châu chết.
Oh, perfect!
Alright, that's what wing.
Oh! Nothing left.
Alright guys, that's a nice walleye there.
Here we go.
Whew. Onto the straight feet.
I caught it, boys.
Yeah.
Donation, no donation here. I caught it. We're 1-1.
There you go, Pete.
All right,
Guys!
first zlay of the day. Nice 3 pounder, 3 pounder probably. All right.
It's on your YouTube channel, bro.
Oh yeah. Right to the stringer, boys. Right to the stringer.
Pow! Alright everyone, we're gonna end my night there. That was just a slower bite, but there was a lot of chunks that were coming out. We had a lot of tough times on the water. You know, the water was still pretty clear, but there was a lot of debris that was coming down, a lot of seaweed, so we had to try to fight way through that, but the walleyes were still biting. Anyways guys, I'll have to catch you on the next one. See you next time.